So to do the Celtic style heart, we're just going to open up our paper clip. As we always do, I'm using the pliers, but you can also do this by hand. I just very gently pinch it so we get the little kinks out. And then we're going to get a ring cone or a marker and bend this one around. Wind it like a little smaller than what your finger is. We're just going to look at this, and we want these edges to be about the same. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bend these up. So we're going to try to bend them around the same position. So if we just start by doing it a little bit, and then this one too, we're going to start by doing it a little bit. So see, they're about the same height. Bend it a little more out, and then this one too, we're going to bend it a little bit more out. So we have something that looks like this. So we want to just kind of wiggle them around so these two edges match up. Then we're going to take our round pliers and we're just going to slowly make our spiral. So we're going to take this end, bring it around to close it up, and then just slowly give it a little pinch, and we're just going to slowly make our way in there. Put our pliers in there again, and then just keep slowly forming our spiral and go down. And then we're going to do this side. So we'll take this end, bring it around, close that circle, and then we're going to just bend it a bit and go outside that loop and then inside that loop, and just slowly make our way down. As you need to, just like pinch it in, bring it down. Don't forget, these paper clips are really hard. You can also use 20 gauge wire. And then get our flat pliers, bring it out a bit more if we have to, and this one too, get the flat pliers and bring it out a little bit more. The idea is this is going to look a bit like a heart. You could also wind a wire in there, but this is nice because this way, if you want to wear it as a toe ring, you can open it up more, and this way it also will fit over your knuckle, and it's really pretty. It looks like a stylized Celtic heart.